Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, stop computer from locking Windows 11 automatically. First method is click Start, Settings, click Accounts. Uncheck Allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you are away. Second method is type Screensaver in Windows search bar, click Screensaver. Change to None, click Apply, click OK. Third method is click Start, Settings. Click Power, change to Never. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.